Hello, let's solve for x in x to the power of 4 minus 16 equal to 0. If you're new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now, from this content, I want you to see from this math question that 4 to the power of 2 can be equal to 16. And you can also notice that 4 can be equal to 2 to the power of 2. So with that in mind, we can simplify that expression up. That expression will now give us x squared, right? All multiplied by the square minus 4 to the power of 2, and this will be equal to 0. Now, do you notice that this is more of a difference of 2 squared? And that is what we have made that to become. Now remember, if you have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, this can be equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So with this in mind, we can make that expression to now become x squared, because a is x squared minus 4, or let's go with the plus first, and that will be multiplied by x squared minus 4, and this expression will be equal to 0. Great. Now, having seen this, we can simplify the negative part of this expression. Remember that 4 to the power of 4 can be equal to 2 to the power of 2, right? So we can make that expression to now become x squared plus 4, right? And this will be x squared minus 2 squared, and this will be equal to 0. Now let's bring out this expression. We're going to bring out this expression, and comparing this expression to a diff of 2 squared, you still remember a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b, and then this is going to give us, we'll have x to the power of 2 plus 4, we won't touch this solution, and then this other one will give us x plus 2, right? And then we'll have x minus 2, and this will be equal to 0. So having this expression, we can have 3 different cases. And in those different cases, we can make the first case x squared plus 4 to be equal to 0. And the second case can be x plus 2 to be equal to 0. And then the third case can be x minus 2 to be equal to 0. So we're going to analyze these 3 cases to find the possible solutions of x. From the third case, we'll see that our x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, if we add 2 to both sides, our x minus 2 plus 2 will be equal to 0 plus 2. And the value of x with this, clearing this, will be equal to 2. Great. So the value of x, we'll take that as x1 is equal to 2. Now from the second case, we can see that the value of x plus 2 is equal to 0. So if we subtract 2 from both sides, we'll have x plus 2 minus 2 equal to 0 minus 2. So if this clears this, the value of our x, which we'll take as x2, will be equal to negative 2. And that is the second solution to the value of x. Now coming to the third solution, or the first case, we'll have case 1 as x squared plus 4 equal to 0. Now in this case, we are going to subtract 4 from both sides, and then we'll have our x squared to be equal to negative 4. This can be simplified because we can find the square root of both sides. So if we take the square root of both sides, we'll have that expression to now become x squared, right, equal to plus or minus the square root of negative what? 4. Y squared clears square root, we'll have the x to be equal to plus or minus the square root of 4 multiplied by the square root of negative 1. And the square root of negative 1, remember, is imaginary. So we'll have our x to be equal to plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by imaginary. And then our x will be equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 what? Imaginary. So from here we can see that the value of our x3 will be equal to negative 2 imaginary, and then the value of our x4 will be equal to 2 imaginary. So all these are the solutions we'll get from that expression that is given to us above. So we have two solutions in which two are imaginaries and two are real world solutions. So I want you to check from your leisure time as you finish watching this, put in the values of x equal to 2 and x equal to negative 2 into the unique expression we are given and see if you subtract it from 16, it will give us 0, which is on the right hand side. If you do, that tells us that this solution is absolutely right. I know you did enjoy watching this. Don't forget to like, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.